If you are planning to take a loan against your property and are worried about planning your monthly finances, you can now easily find out the exact EMI amount you need to pay by using Fullerton India Loan Against Property EMI Calculator. To know how to use Loan Against Property EMI Calculator, log on to www.fullertonindia.com. From the top menu, go to Loan Against Property and click on EMI Calculator option. To know your EMI amount and plan your loan repayments better, you can use the online Loan Against Property EMI Calculator in 3 easy steps. Select the loan amount. You can select loan amount up to 12.5 crore rupees. Next, select the tenure for the loan. You can choose a repayment tenure of up to 15 years. Use the rate of interest tab to choose a rate of up to 24%. Now you know your EMI amount. It is time for the next step. To apply for a loan against property, visit www.fullertonindia.com. Apply for Fullerton India Loan Against Property.